I got one. Oh, I found something.
Should we add some seaweed in there, Chris? Look at that, look at that, look at that. It is like a daddy long leg, but a crab. Ooh! Boys and girls, we caught the coolest fish in the dang ocean. What is that? It's an aquarium! What is going on, crows? Welcome back to yet another video. Today, we're gonna make the coolest mini saltwater aquarium. It's really dope. I am super excited. Y'all know I love doing videos like this. We are here at Cato's Bridge. The water's clear. The current is ripping. The current is ripping. And my freaking goggles are on. Let's go.
Paul, what are you doing?
Right now, I am searching for a substrate. We can't just have a glass bottom aquarium. We're gonna search through all these rocks right here. For instance, right here, let's get a handful of sand. That's some fishing line too. Wow. Look at all that fishing line. That could have got wrapped around bird's ankle, turtle. Oh my gosh, there is a hook on it. Keep that up here, we'll clean it up later. We're just gonna rake in some sand here and put it right into the aquarium. We do these videos pretty often, just kind of snorkeling around this bridge. Typically don't bring an aquarium with us. This bad boy of an aquarium I actually got in Marshall's. What? I'm not kidding. Let's get that one. Yeah.
You just drop it.
Sick. You gotta go home before I buy anything else. Oh, that's cool.
You gotta do
And look, I found Taylor. Should we add some seaweed in there, Chris?
Yeah, I think we should.
Let's add some seaweed. This right here, this color, dead seaweed. This right here, alive. Dead, alive. We actually could probably find some stuff inside the seaweed. We did a whole video on that, finding some epic creatures in seaweed. Put this in the aquarium. That'll be super cool. So after scooping a couple rocks out of the bigger rock, a good amount of just some decor to go on the bottom there. And fellas, just like that, we're looking like we got a nice little temporary home for some cool creatures. Invertebrates, you know, fish that we might catch. Who knows what we'll get down there. We're hopping in to the water with the GoPro. I'm gonna get my goggles. 3, 2, 1. Just hopped in a bunch of Sergeant Major's spots. I got seaweed that has a bracelet right now. Some snapper right in front of me here. But that was a jellyfish I had in my hand for a second there. That jellyfish in particular, I'm not exactly sure what kind it is, but just growing up I've learned that that one does not sting. Now we can swim out to the pillars.
Oh, I found something. Hey, buddy.
All right, Cuffaro, so we've got our first little crab. Oh, no, we almost don't have our first crab. Here you go, buddy. We have what looks to be like a little mangrove crab. There's a bunch of different species of crabs, but that looks like a little mangrove crab. To start it off, we got a little crab. But you just said you saw something big over there, right?
Yeah, but I don't think you'll be able to get that with your hands.
We'll give it a try. Let's go back.
Big stone crab.
Look inside. See him? Oh. Unfortunately, today we didn't get exactly what we wanted to get, but Mr. Krabs in here is gonna be released. All right, bud, drop in with the sand. Oh,
there he goes.
There he is. I got cut by a coral.
Oh, yeah.
See you tomorrow. All right, we got a bunch of sandbar partiers on the other side, so if you're here loud music, that's what that's from. YouTube, please don't copyright me. We actually just caught a little arrow crab. Y'all know we have one of these in the saltwater tank at the farmhouse. Super creepy crawling creatures. I mean, we also have our tank that we just set up over here. Beautiful aquarium. We're gonna get, oh my God, he's trying to get out. Oh my gosh, he's out. We're gonna put him in. How sick is that? We have an arrow crab inside our bowl on the beach. As you know, we caught a crab yesterday. arrow crab today, so far at least. We're gonna hop back in the water and see what else we can get. We have a net this time. I can't believe I forgot a net yesterday. So we're gonna go back in and we're hopefully going to catch a tropical fish. That's the goal, at least for today. So tropical fish search, here we go.
Got him!
I saw this exact fish yesterday in the same exact spot. Remember I told you? Caught him. Boys and girls, we caught the coolest fish in the dang ocean. Look at this little thing. Now I don't want to kill him because he's real tiny. They're not the smartest fish. They're really easy to net. And we got him. I'm gonna try to put him in the water and see if he swims a little bit. He's tiny. Look how tiny. We're gonna put him in. Here we go. Whoa! That is so dope. We have an arrow crab and the fish right there in the little bowl. It kind of makes you want to like keep it just like that at home if there was a way to filterize it. He's in his natural habitat, in a way, in a smaller version. That is awesome. So Cuffaros, we have in total caught a crab, an arrow crab, which the arrow crabs are super cool. They get the name obviously because of that arrow-shaped head, and a top fin. Is that what they're called? Top fin? Top fin. So we just got some more info on this fish. It's actually called a high hat. Something cool about this fish is they actually lose that dorsal fin when they get bigger. Now that we know a little bit more about this fish, back to the video. And I caught him on a piling. That was really cool. It's kind of hard to see him, but I saw that exact same fish yesterday. So I knew where to go, and I got him. So it is now time to release these guys right here. All we gotta do is, quite literally, there you go, buddy. And now to get rid of the last thing. Look at that, look at that, look at that. It is like a daddy long leg, but a crab. Ooh! Look at that creepy crawler right there. I mean, you could see exactly why they're called an arrow crab. And let me tell you, not many fish are gonna be eating something like that because it blends in so well in the water. Look at that thing right there.
Looks like a piece of wood, honestly.
Right, and he's actually going towards that wood because he sees that's something he could blend into. All right, it is about to storm. Look above. Not looking too good. But I've got 2 watermelons here and the pigs need to eat, so let's do it. And I got 5 more in the truck that we're just gonna spread out throughout the farm. Dig in, brothers. Little ASMR pig action. How is it, guys? Hey, Bubba. They're loving it. Fresh watermelon. Listen, I'll eat some with you guys. I'll take a piece and take one of these. Ready? Gonna go wrong. Chris is coming with 2 more, baby. Yeah. Big pigs are eating now.
Everyone gets watermelons.
Watermelon for the whole gang. Holy lightning. Suzanne, how many times do I gotta tell you? Stop getting out of the enclosure. Come here. Come here. Suzanne. Stay. Hurry. All right. It is about, look at little Mallard coming in hot. Woohoo! It is about to pour, like badly rain. And all the ducks go. We need to feed everything as fast as we can. I did as best I could smashing those ones. Dude, they're going crazy. Look at them. Oh, that was the best one yet. That was a solid one. Eat up, buddies. It's a nice little snack. It's a nice refreshment. A piece went so far, it went all the way over there. Now everyone gets a little bit of grain. Kevin, what's up, bud? Where were you? Kev. I would probably go eat. The ducks are eating right now, and you're missing out on that meal. A whole lot of mulch, truckload, and we already did all this landscape right here. Trimmed all the hedges and did black mulch along the whole driveway. Just things, you know, we do off camera. We don't really film that, but that's almost a full day of work right there. I ain't no landscaper, but we did it. And this is what it used to look like. Absolute garbage. Now it looks nice. I had to put the hay in the truck, and yeah, that didn't go too well. That's a no bueno. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I'll see you right back here with another banger in the next video. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, smash the like button. And I'll see your beautiful face in the next one. Peace! Guess what, Cuffaros? Did you know S is for seal? Oh, I need friends.